Hey guys, my name is Samuel and you're watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight Technology is done right. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you on how to fix your front panel connectors on your computer. And also for the people who don't know how to install their Realtek HD audio driver. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Okay guys, so what you want to do is you want to go into your browser and you're going to go into this link will be in the description below, so you can just click on it and you'll come to this website. Okay, so in the time of this video you can see that version R2.82 is here, and they have two versions. One is 32 and another is 64-bit. So how to find out what bit is your PC? What you're going to do is you're going to go into your Windows Explorer, find this PC, right click on it and click on properties. Okay, so the moment you click on properties, you can see here it says your system is either a 64-bit system or a 32-bit system. In my case it's a 64-bit, so we are going to be downloading the 64-bit version, okay, which is here. So you're going to click on this blue icon. Okay, and it should come to this page where it says agree to download. You're going to click on I accept above and put in your email. Okay, once your email is entered, click on download this file. Okay, and then you'll have a captcha to solve. Okay, so this is 3 plus 7, so it's 10, and click go, and you can see it says starting download. So the download is started guys, and I'm not going to download it now since I've already had the file, so you don't cancel it. I'm going to cancel it. Okay, so once you have downloaded the file, you have this. Okay, I'm going to enter, click on yes on the administrator access. Sorry, the screen goes blank for that. Let it extract. Give it some time. Okay, and then you're going to click on next. Install Shield Wizard is uninstalling. Okay, this is because I already had a Realtek high definition audio driver in, so it's uninstalling and reinstalling it. Okay, so here you're going to click on yes, I want to restart my computer now, and click on finish, and it will restart your PC. Okay, I'm not going to do that because it will corrupt my video, so no. So I'm just going to click on no. So make sure you restart your PC, and once you're done, your computer's front panel connectors should be working well. Okay, and you already have Realtek HD audio driver installed on your system. So I think that's about it for the video guys. If you have any other questions or any other problems, please put them down in the comments below. And yeah, I think that's about it. So please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'm out.